Just a quick short math lesson for Thursday, April 16th. As we continue along this line of thinking of using place value, right, to help us with our number sense. Okay, tens place, ones place. And today, what we're going to do is we're going to write numbers from anywhere from 1 to 120 using this place value chart. Okay, and I'm going to give you instruction today also using base 10 blocks so that you can see how it's counted, and whether you need this website, which I have posted in the classwork spreadsheet. You can use this to manipulate the base 10 blocks and whatnot. But just so you see how it's counted, so that when I show you an example of the problem set, you have a good foundation there. So I'm going to use the number 87 that I have built into this place value chart, and I'm going to go ahead and drag some base 10 blocks out so that I can see this with those. Okay, just kind of sporadically all over the place. There we go. There, I know they're kind of all over, but there are 8 of them. And then okay, so here is 87 with base 10 blocks. I'll go ahead and count them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. All right, now if I was going to just write that number, I would kind of squish the two digits together and it'd be 87. Okay, but I need to be able to see it in tens and ones. And one of the reasons why this is important is when you get to a number over, let's see here, I can do this easier, there we go. When you get to a number over 100, okay, as you can see right here, okay, this is asking you to build a number using 10 tens and 9 ones. Now, of course, we could just squeeze those digits together and we know that the number is 109, but I want to show you how you get there. All right, and so I'm going to go back to my place value chart. Okay, so here we go. Bear with me for just a minute. 4. There's 10 tens and 9 ones. Okay, and so here's my 10 tens and 9 ones. Okay, and so how I get to 109 is by counting here, and this is why it's so important to know, just because I have a 10 in the tens place, I've got to know that that is worth a different number than just 10. Okay, so as I count those 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, and that's how I get my 109 here. Okay, I've got to understand that that 10 in the tens place is worth more than just 10, right? That's worth 100 there, and then the 9 leftovers, and that's what I wanted you to see with the base 10 blocks. So feel free to use this. Good luck with lesson 8, and I will be available if you need anything.